3 tools that you can use in order to find and fix your next flip. Let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 key tools that you can use in order to find, fix, and flip your next property in order to be profitable. And this video is sponsored by Baselane, which is an all-in-one real estate investing platform that you can use in your everyday real estate investing business. Stay tuned until the very end. I'm going to share with you how to get access to Baselane, and also I'm going to show you how it's free to sign up. So the first key tool we're going to talk about is going to help you with organizing your books as well as keeping your finances in check when you're fixing and flipping real estate. Now here's the deal. Usually investors that I come across have used debit cards and credit cards and all different types of accounts in order to be able to fund their rehabs. As you can imagine, their books are completely out of whack. And to be honest with you, I've actually done this myself in the past. But then I was looking to get more organized and eventually came across the sponsor of this video, Baselane. Now, what I like about Baselane so much is Baselane will allow you to use their platform in order to create sub-accounts, sub-virtual accounts, in order to be able to manage your flips a lot better. So for example, let's say you have 3 flips going on. You can set up 3 sub-accounts within Baselane and then name each account based on the property that you're flipping. So for example, let's just say you're flipping 123, 124, and 125 Main Street. What I would typically do is set up 123 Main Street sub bank account, 124 Main Street sub bank account, and 125 Main Street sub bank account. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and assign a virtual debit card to my contractor and have enough funds in each account so that when a contractor is fixing, let's say 123 Main Street, he can use the 123 Main Street sub account in order to keep my books in check. So everything that's involved in 123 Main Street will be spent through that particular sub account. And at the end of the flip, when we profit from the flip, all of our books, all of our records are absolutely in check. So as you can imagine, this keeps things well organized and ultimately allows us to see what our real profits are at the end of each flip. Now, the beautiful part about Baselane is it's not going to cost you anything to sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description box so that you can get access to your account with Baselane and start using it ASAP. Baselane is a financial technology company and is not a bank. Banking services provided by Thread Bank, member FDIC. So that's tip number 1. Use Baselane in order to be able to organize your financials and your books on your flips. And you can do that, again, by using sub bank accounts within the Baselane platform. All right, now the second tip I want to share with you has to do with finding contractors. I can't tell you how many times people come to me and say, hey, I see you doing those rehab videos. How in the world did you find a good contractor? Well, I'll tell you this, I have multiple good contractors. And the reason I have these contractors is basically because I built relationships. So the best way, honestly, to find contractors is through networking. Now, one way that you can network is by using a tip that I've shared sometime in the past by going to Home Depot and Lowe's. And there's a couple of things that you can do when you go to Home Depot and Lowe's. You can go to either the pro desk and introduce yourself as a local house flipper and just let them know, hey, I'm looking to use Lowe's and Home Depot in order to be able to buy materials, but I'm looking for a good contractor that I can rely on. Would you happen to know anybody who I can reach out to in order to start building a relationship with them? Another thing you can do is just simply sit in the parking lot for 30 minutes at a Lowe's or a Home Depot. Sit by the pro section of these particular stores, and then I guarantee you're going to see contractors walking in and out. All you got to do is introduce yourself to these guys. You can even stand in the front of the door. Introduce yourself to these guys. Let them know you're a flipper. Let them know you're looking for a good contractor to work with. And ultimately, you'd like to reach out to them in order to be able to have them give you some estimates on some projects. So that's one really good way. It's probably one of my favorite ways to find reliable contractors. And again, through networking and through being in the right place at the right time. Go where the contractors are, and you're going to find good contractors. Contractors are constantly in the pro sections of Lowe's and Home Depot. Go to these stores, and I'm telling you, you're going to walk out with a really good contractor. Now, another way to find a good contractor is by going on sites like Thumbtack. So let's say you were shy and you wanted to do this right from the comfort of your own home. You can use a site like Thumbtack in order to be able to search your particular area, narrow it down to the type of contractor that you're looking for, and you can find local contractors in the area. Again, I'll link Thumbtack in the description box below for your convenience, but use these resources in order to be able to get the contractors. So now you know how to organize the books when it comes to your rehab projects, but you also know how to find the contractors. So how do you find the deals? That's what the next tip is about. So the next tip I want to share with you has to do with finding the deals. Now, there's a number of different ways to find really good flips. You can use Realtors, you can use wholesalers, and you can also use my software, Investor Deal Pro. This is the next resource that I want to share with you. Obviously, I'm biased to Investor Deal Pro because it's my software. But at the end of the day, what this software allows you to do is pull different lists. You can run comparable sales on these lists to really see what's selling locally in the area where your flip is going to take place. You can create a budget for your flip within the software. There's a ton of things that you can do in order to find and analyze these fix and flips. Obviously, you have to put in the work in order to reach out to the sellers if you're not using Realtors and wholesalers. But once you find the targeted person that you're looking for example, an absentee owner, a vacant property, a tax delinquent list, whatever the case may be, once you find these types of individuals, then ultimately you can reach out to them, you can put the house on the contract, and then you can utilize the resources that we spoke about in this particular video. Use Investor Deal Pro, use Realtors, use wholesalers, use any mechanism it's going to take in order to be able to find these deals. The more leads you get, the more offers you can make, the more deals you will get as a real estate investor. Now, that's just 3 tips that I shared with you today. Obviously, there's a lot more tips that I can share with you. If you guys want to see more tips, more tools, more resources that you can use in your real estate investing business, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know. Just say, hey, I'd like for you to share more tips with me. And then what I'll do is I'll think of some more resources that I use. I'll think of some more tips and strategies that I can share with you as you're on your fix and flip journey in order to be profitable as a real estate investor. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. One more thing, check all the links in the description box. Sign up for your Baselane account. It's free to sign up. Go ahead, check out Investor Deal Pro, check out Thumbtack, find your next contractor, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Take care.